Taytay Kapuso, perang po ng 20 minutes ang inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan po natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZBB, welcome to the program! Happy birthday, Attorney Ibarra and Joy Mendez! Happy birthday. Kantahan, kwentuhan po ang inyong matutunghayan ngayong hapon. Naitay Kapuso, hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa because I am just as excited as all of you. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Paolo and Miguel of Ben and Ben! Thank you very much. Thank you. Kumusta kayong dalawa? Maraming salamat.
Hi!
How are you?
Okay naman po. It's great to be back here. Medyo naninibago na hindi namin kasama yung bandmates, pero...
Sasabihin ko, kumusta ang buhay may asawa?
Nako. Napaka...
Mamaya natin pag-uusapan yan, Miguel.
Pag-uusapan natin.
Okay. Pero the nice thing is, you have this first ever double chair coaches ng The Voice franchise sa buong Asia.
Apo.
Congratulations!
Let's go!
First time yan, ano?
Yes po.
Na
It's the
nangyari.
first time in all of Asia. So, it's such an honor to be sitting on that chair. Honestly, napaka-surreal po nung feeling. I think, we always talk about it kami ni Zach. Kasi,
Judy.
Tsaka, lalo na si Coach Zach, kasi first time namin both to be coaches ever. And you know, for us then to sit on that double chair, it's
a big responsibility din, Tito Boy, kasi it's kids eh. So kumbaga,
Tama.
we're really careful and we wanna take care talaga of being guides to these kids kasi layo pa ng lalakbay nila eh. Diba?
At saka hanapin mo talaga yung balance.
Opo.
Hanapin mo talaga yung balance. Especially today, when there's so many rules.
Yes.
Diba? Yung ano ba yung boundary that separates between, you know, mentoring, coaching, being strict, being emphatic, and, di ba, yung
Exactly.
kung saan ka na nagsusungit.
Exactly po.
Ang hirap. But that's going ahead of the story. That's
Oh,
going ahead of the story. Pag-usapan natin ito, yung buhay twins. Hanggang ngayon ba, meron kayong mga kaibigan, may mga staff, may mga, you know, mga kaibigan sa industriya na nalilito pa rin kung sino si Miguel at sino si Pao? Ako hindi. Alam niyo yun? Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Well, Tito Boy, I think marami pa rin actually. Parang hindi nila kami na tell apart. Parang,
Actually, isang nalito ay yung screen na to kasi ako talaga yan. Si Paolo yung nasa left.
Talaga?
Yes.
So this is Paolo, this is Miguel. Pero,
Yes.
Tingnan mo, pati tayo. Pati tayo nalito. On behalf of the staff, of the team, I
Di ba wala?
apologize.
Kasi actually,
Pero may marker ba? Paano ba
ang closest marker usually, medyo
Nunal,
mahirap siya. May nunal ako dito. And then I have a birthmark here.
Tsaka mas wide yung jaw.
Ang problema lang kasi, hindi ka naman titig, sino ba
Parang,
may nunal?
Tapos, ang isa pang usually natatanong sa amin, nagpa-prank ba kami bilang twins? Kaya nga actually, hindi namin sinabi kanina na malito kasi prank namin.
So ano pang mga klase? Ano pang klase ng mga prank ang ginagawa niyo sa mga kaibigan?
Ano ba? Dati, mas nung ano po kami dito ba nung high school, elementary, parang mas yun. Kasi minsan nagpapalit kami ng classroom, minsan, may time pa dati na yung name tag namin dito,
Pinagpapalit namin.
na-velcro siya eh. So, pinagpapalit namin siya.
At walang nakakapansin.
Minsan wala.
Wala namang nag-take ng isang exam. Ang isa ay...
Wala naman. Ano lang, sa mga nanonood na kabataan, huwag niyong tutularan to. Pero, lalo na yung mga kambal dyan. Pero may time na absent ako. Tapos, medyo strict yung professor sa attendance. Tapos sabi ko kay Paolo, pasok ka lang, magpakita ka lang kahit nandun ka lang sa likod, tapos mag-sign ka lang ng attendance. So, yung ginawa niya. On my breath.
So, present si Miguel noon.
Present ako nun. So, huwag niyo pong tutularan yun. Disclaimer.
Pao, ikaw, may mga kwento ka?
Nung bata kami, yung sa pagsasimbahan, laging ako nakakatulog kasi kami sa Kristan, tapos lagi ako nakakatulog sa harap. So, at some point, nilalagay ko si Miguel dun sa bungad para hindi siya makatulog.
Kaya nga.
Okay.
Marami kaming ganyang stories, Tito Boy.
Okay. Ito. May kasabihan na, basta kambal, isa mabait daw, isa hindi.
Opo, ako po yung di mabait.
Hindi, pero
That's a myth, no? That's a myth.
I think ang totoo though is pagkambal usually magkaiba yung personality. Kasi
Magkaiba.
Opo.
Magkaiba.
I think it comes naturally kasi kung magkapatid nga nagtatry mag-iba ng personality to have your own identity, lalo na yung kambal. Kasi pareho na nga kayo ng mukha, pareho pa kayo ng personality.
So may deliberate effort na maiba.
I think it's not even deliberate.
It's not deliberate.
It's intuitive. Parang it's
Talaga?
it's natural.
Ako naman ibang pagkakaintindi ko because you're twins, it should come natural na magkapareho.
Hindi po.
It goes the other way.
Other way. Kasi parang you're also trying to find yung sarili mong identity. So parang
Okay. So in terms of identity, in the simplest words, ano ang identity mo? Ano ang identity mo?
Introvert, extrovert.
Okay. Ganun kasimple.
kaya siya yung masungit na kambal. Kasi
Siya yung madaldal.
Masungit, madaldal.
kasi parang pag ayaw niyang magsalita, usually introvert lang talaga kasi siya. Tapos ako yung extrovert.
At madalas yan, may mga pagkakataon, ayaw mo talaga.
Opo. But not now.
Of course. Oo. May myth din na pag twins daw, sabay magkasakit.
Totoo yun dito, boy.
Halos kakagaling lang namin ngayon sa sakit.
Yeah.
Sabay
Parang, well, siguro physically, like lagi kasi kayo magkasama,
Okay.
sa mga kambal na laging magkasama, so madaling nagkakahawaan. Pero, ako kahit noon di ba? Kahit di tayo magkasama, yung parang, pag may sakit siya, parang magkakasakit na rin ako. Ganun yung feeling.
Okay. Tapos napapanood natin to sa mga pelikula, yung mga twins na they can speak via telepathy.
Actually, na-experience namin yan, Tito Boy, many times. Kasi pag di kami nakakapag-usap beforehand, pero pareho pala yung naiisip namin.
At madalas mangyari yon.
Madalas. Like, kunyari, what would often happen is, kunyari po, parang papasok ako sa room, yung una kong sasabihin, paglabas ko sa room, pagpasok niya, yun din.
Kaya inis namin yung mga kaibigan namin.
Either naiinis sila or parang nalilito sila, nangyari na ba ito kanina? Parang ganun yung feeling.
Or umulit ba ito?
Umulit
Parang
ba?
deja vu, ganyan.
Deja vu. Oo,
exactly.
parang ganun.
Opo.
Hala.
Lahat po to, Tito Boy, nangyari na ito kanina. Joke!
Lahat po to, Tito Boy, nangyari na po kanina.
At parang inuulit lang natin. Napansin niyo ba? Pinalitan na namin. Hindi, joke. Punta tayo sa Voice Kids, which is really exciting. So, ipaliwanag mo sa amin, ipaliwanag niyo sa amin, anong ibig sabihin ng double chair? They have 2 votes, they have 1 vote, 1 comment. Ano ba to?
I think the most challenging thing about the double chair is, kahit na dalawa po kami, isa lang yung vote namin.
Yeah.
Okay.
So parang, ano siya eh, it's as simple as isa lang yung button eh. So parang kahit pa magkaiba kami ng feeling, isa lang yung decision. So it's gonna be...
Pero the advantage is that when you mentor, dalawa.
Yes, so medyo may,
Diba?
may ano siya, double-edged
May
sword.
pros
siya.
and
May mga
That's
pros
right.
and cons. So.
So how do you manage your differences? Because I can imagine, I would assume that you sometimes or often in creative decisions, you have different opinions.
Opo.
So halimbawa, may bata. Oo. Paano nyo isi-settle kung sino ang tama at sino ang mali? In terms of attack, in terms of approval.
Di ko alam dito boy, parang siguro
Pag-uusapan nyo na lang
bato-batotic
talaga.
lang. Hindi naman.
Pag nag-yes si Miguel, sabi ko, oo nga.
Hindi, parang palagay ko, Tito Boy, I think we have a good way of communicating like as brothers. Pero I can foresee na yung magiging challenge namin. Sa totoo lang, yung time. Kasi, syempre, like, we're all familiar with The Voice and The Voice Kids, especially. You only have until the end of the song to decide. And most likely, nakikinig ka pa. So parang, paano yun? Nakikinig ka, nag-iisip ka, tapos mag-uusap pa kami. Tapos pag natapos na yung song at hindi ka pumindot, wala na. So parang I think yun yung pinaka magiging challenge namin. Tito.
What about experience so far?
What do you mean po, Tito Boy?
I mean, I don't know if you have done some episodes. I have no idea.
I think what we're really looking forward to is, una, it's our first time doing any show on TV na as really part of a TV show. So parang, that in itself, sobrang nakakapanibago siya sa amin. And even more so, working with kids. Parang, it's also something na you don't do every day, you know? Parang working with so many kids on a daily basis. So parang for us, excited lang kami. And we're just approaching it na sobrang open-minded, Tito Boy.
Okay.
Parang,
Oo. Pao, this is a competition. Di ba? May game plan si Zach, may game plan si Julie is so ready. Crawford, hindi magpapatalo.
Siyempre, siyempre.
Kayo ba'y dumadating dito sa competition ito with a game plan?
Ano eh, Tito Boy, at the end of the day, when we said yes, we really just want to help the kids. I think that's, regardless kung manalo or matalo, parang them having that gift in itself, or they are the gift actually. So kumbaga, we want to remind them of that. And then, the voice that comes out of them is because of their belief in themselves. Parang ganun.
Ganda. Oo. Talagang mentoring, no?
Yeah, po.
And that's really a gift. Dahil imagine a couple of years from now, pag may, you know, yung journey ng mga bata, di ba? And having been part of that, mangyayari ba sa inyong buhay na magsosolo ka at magsosolo ka? That's one question. Di ba? How difficult was it when Miguel got married? And the question is for the both of you. Nahirapan ba kayo? Ang kasagutan po sa pagbabalik ng Fast Talk with Boy Abun. Back to the show, kasama ho natin Paulo and Miguel. Ben and Ben, that was a lovely song. Saranggola.
Yes po.
Okay, let's do Fast Talk. Let's start with Paulo. Paulo, kambal pandesal, kambal tuko.
Kambal pandesal,
Double threat or double treat.
double threat,
Paulo, hugot song o happy song?
happy song.
Mas nakakakilig, girlfriend, fans.
Girlfriend,
Oh, mas mainit,
Fiancé.
yakap mo, halik mo.
yakap,
Miguel, sing-sing, songwriting.
sing-sing.
Romantiko, pilyo.
Romantiko.
Seloso, chismoso.
Seloso.
Nakakakaba, mag-perform o galit ni Mrs.
Galit ni Mrs.
Mas masarap, music time, sexy time.
Sexy time.
For both. Siya o ako, nagbulakbol sa school.
siya,
Siya o ako, pwede maging aktor.
siya,
Ako?
Siya o ako, mas maraming ex.
siya,
Mas maraming hugot sa buhay.
Siya.
ako,
Mas maraming pera.
Siya.
Mas malakas ang sex appeal.
Siya.
Mas malakas ang loob.
Ano?
Okay. Siya o ako, mas gwapo.
siya,
Siya.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on. Oh, unanimous.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Anytime.
We will win The Voice Kids because...
2 is better than 1.
Totoo! Totoo nga naman. 2 is better than 1. Pero sinong binabantayan niyo? Si Zach, si Billy, o si Julie?
Good
ako
question.
honestly si Kuya Billy.
Dahil?
Kasi ano siya yung pinaka-experienced. I mean, inside joke namin siya kasi siya yung pinakamatanda sa amin. pero hindi nga, dahil dun, sobrang galing niya makipag-usap sa mga bata and marami rin siyang mapapasoon eh. So,
Pero
Ako,
lahat kayo,
Tito Boy,
magaling.
binabantayan ko si Julie.
Dahil?
Actually, binabantayan namin lahat si
Oo.
Julie.
But more si Julie
Kasi
dahil?
feeling namin, siya yung magiging favorite ng mga kids. Feeling lang.
Okay. Paghandaan niyo yan. Will there ever be a time, wow, this is hypothetical, na magsosolo ka?
I think it's possible, but nag-evolve na rin po, Tito Boy, yung definition ng solo ngayon eh. Kasi parang it can happen while the band is still together. Parang kumbaga, there becomes a season na we explore like our solo projects and then we get back together.
Galing. Kasi it also tells us about your relationship with the band.
Yeah.
How easy was it na nagpaalam kayo mag-judge kami sa The Voice Kids, sa band?
They're very supportive.
Di ba?
Oo.
They're-
At saka ano din, Tito Boy, parang it's something we encourage, not just with us, but with everyone. Like for example, si Pat and Agnes.
Tama.
And then,
Oo.
Pat also like released her own instrumental music. Mga ganun. Parang, our guitarist, Poch, is flying to Japan soon to to play guitar with some of the greatest in the world. So
Ganda.
that's
Ganda.
another thing.
And that's what friends are about, diba? You're
Supporting
supposed to
each other and
lift each other
yes.
up,
But
diba?
it doesn't come easy.
No, no,
Like
it
that's the
doesn't.
thing. You earn it. Like yung
Takes years.
It takes years of building trust, building openness,
And a lot of humility.
and a lot of humility.
Oo.
And you know, you won't get that easy. Parang
No.
you work for it.
Tama. You have been together all your life. Nung nag-asawa ka, how difficult
Ako,
was it? How difficult was it?
Nag-iyakan kami. Pero nung una, medyo passive-aggressive pa ako. Hindi, okay lang.
Oo.
Ito, kukwento namin yung sobrang nakakatawa tong story na to. So, may period po nung kakasabi ko lang na magpapakasal na ako. Eh di siya parang, okay, sige, okay lang. Sige, okay yan. Ganyan, tapos tahimik lang siya. Tapos, siguro mga ano po yun, halos 1 month. May isa kaming umaga, parang may interview kami for an appointment for something. 5 a.m. Naghihintay kami sa Starbucks, tapos magkatabi kaming ganyan. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, sabi ko, ano bang problema mo? Sabihin mo na lang sa akin. Tapos biglang sabi niya, kasi, tapos, eto yan, tapos nag-iyakan na kami. Nasa coffee shop kami Tito Boy. Nag-iyakan kami ngayon. Tapos biglang may lumapit, excuse me po, pwede po magpa-picture? So kami, parang kami, sige.
If you were to give one piece of advice, kay Paolo, because eventually you're planning, I'm sure, you're gonna get married, you know.
Engaged na po ako.
You're engaged, yeah.
Yes.
I'm not gonna go into whens and whatever. What piece of advice would you
I
give your
think-
brother?
Sige nga.
I think always remember that you're on the same team. I think yan yung...
You're on the same
team.
Oo.
Magkakampi kayo. Kasi parang yun yung pinaka... I would say, you know, yung buhay ng pag-aasawa, alam ng maraming tao yan, probably a lot more than I do since I've only been married for 2 years. But it's really... The things that you face as a solo person sa buhay na maraming pagsubok, ngayon dalawa na kayo eh. Tapos, talagang pagsubok yan na either pagtitibayin kayo or bibiyakin kayo into two.
Tama.
So parang, what you always have, I always remind myself of this, and we always talk about this kaming mag-asawa, na lagi kaming magkakampi. Parang kahit pa parang imposible yung problema. Yun lang.
Ganda. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayong dalawa. Let's support the Voice Kids and God bless the both of you.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
We'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye for now. And God bless us all.